Congress is also doing the same thing. And I am also doing the same thing of, criticizing the then government and the today's government and pointing out what is wrong, sir. And I'm going to continue doing that. Because, I'm very consistent in my stand. And people have also been very consistent in sending us always at the same position. One might come here, one might go there, but we are always here. Yeah. Sir, going into public debt, sir. I'm happy where I am, sir. I'm happy. Thank you. Sir, going to the state public debt, sir. In this budget speech, the finance minister Saab blames the previous government for pushing the state into debt trap and cite the rise in the state's debt from 75,577 crore at the time of the state formation in June 2014 to rupees 6,71,751 crore by the end of 23-24 financial year, sir. Sir, here I would like to point out, sir. However, the budget document includes the budget in brief and statement of fiscal policy and the FRBM Act show the state outstanding public debt. Sir, FRBM is showing, sir, public debt at 4,01,845 crores at the end of March 2024, sir. Apparently, sir, the finance minister Saab adds the outstanding of the state's public undertakings. Public undertakings, government guarantees with the state's own debt to inflate the total debt figure. Sir, how can this be possible, sir? ये चीज गलत है. This is wrong, absolutely wrong, sir. This is tantamount of the following on the footsteps of the BJP-led central government, sir. हम government of BJP की government को criticize करते हैं कि ये लोग ऐसा कर रहे हैं बोल के, लेकिन हम खुद भी वैसे ही कर रहे हैं फिर. And we are also doing the same thing, and at the same time we want to criticize the government of India. And then they say that we are in the debt trap. Sir, the government which has been seeking to restrict Telangana state borrowing and the FRBM Act by clubbing the state's borrowing and the loans raised by the state public undertaking, sir, we cannot follow the same yardstick of the central government while calculating the state debt, sir. This is very important. We need to understand this, sir. Moreover, a major complaint of the Congress member while in the opposition was that, which I am witness to it, sir, was that the BRS government was not showing transparency in the state finances and it was hiding facts and figures about the actual state of affairs of state finances. Sir, but now the present regime also seems to be following the same footsteps of the earlier government. The fiscal policy statement under FRBM has to give all the details as required under, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, it is required under the AP-FRBM Act and the rules frame thereunder adopted by the Telangana government also. These includes a series of forms including F1, F2, F3, forms D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7, D8, D9, D10. However, in the statement of fiscal policy,